If your electrical power should be disrupted, do you have a plan to keep your family as comfortable and safe as possible? Every day we turn on lights, prepare meals, use our computers without really thinking about the electricity that we use. Events like severe storms can cause outages lasting hours or days, and the power could go out for miles around you. During widespread outages, you may have difficulty finding a working ATM machine or getting fuel for your vehicle. Traffic problems may result from signals not working, and no power can mean no air conditioning or heating. The effects of a long power outage can really take its toll, so make sure you're prepared. Include a battery-powered radio in your emergency kit, along with food and water for each member of your family, including pets, to last at least 3 days. You need at least one flashlight, not candles because of a fire hazard, and consider using a headband light so you're able to move around freely. Remember to have activities for children to pass the time, like books and board games and puzzles. And try to keep your cell phones fully charged, so in an emergency you can send text messages. No matter the time of year, we all need to be ready for power outages. Don't be caught in the dark.
For more useful tips about what to do before, during, and after power outages, visit ready.gov/power-outages. This message is brought to you by Grand Valley Power.